What's the meaning of absent-minded? Absent-minded. 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 Absent-minded is a term used to describe someone who is forgetful or inattentive, often because they are thinking about something else. Absent-minded people may forget appointments, lose things, or make careless mistakes. They may also be easily distracted and have difficulty concentrating. Absent-mindedness can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, fatigue, and boredom. In some cases, absent-mindedness may be a sign of a more serious condition, such as dementia or ADHD. However, in most cases, absent-mindedness is simply a harmless quirk that can be easily managed with a few simple tips, such as taking notes, setting reminders, and avoiding multitasking. Here are some examples of absent-minded behavior. Forgetting where you put your keys, arriving late for appointments, making careless mistakes at work or school, being easily distracted, having difficulty concentrating. If you find yourself frequently exhibiting absent-minded behavior, there are a few things you can do to manage it. Take notes. Write down important information, such as appointments, deadlines, and to-do lists. Set reminders. Use a calendar, alarm clock, or smartphone app to set reminders for important events. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to avoid getting sidetracked. Get enough sleep. When you're well rested, you're better able to focus and concentrate. See a doctor. If you're concerned about your absent-mindedness, talk to your doctor. They can rule out any underlying medical conditions and offer additional tips for managing your absent-mindedness.